What's up, everybody? It's your boy JREAMERS. Right now we're gonna check out HYOLYN's Waka Boom featuring I know I forgot her name, but she's a freaking famous like rapper. Lee Youngji, that's who I was thinking of. Her rap voice and the way she just spits hot fire is just amazing. I need to check out more of her. If you guys want to see more of me reacting to Lee Youngji, please come through and to the comments. But HYOLYN, already a legend. She was already a baddie stepping into queendom. And I guess we're gonna be checking out the full music video, the exclusive performance video of HYOLYN's Waka Boom featuring Youngji. If you guys haven't checked out the Discord, go join the Discord right now, link in the description. Got a new channel called Dre Day where I'll be posting more vloggy, posting more content with like friends, family, other friends that you know, you guys might know. Without further ado, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Alright, HYOLYN, Waka Boom. Let's get it, let's go. I remember seeing this on the show itself. Again, follow the Twitch. Damn. Why that affected my sinuses when that happened? Oh! But she always serves, bro. Wait, did she like literally like laugh a little bit? Oh, is that just her voice? Maybe it's her voice, I don't know. Oh, okay, dancers. Give me the energy. Give me the energy. Give me the energy. Hey. Ooh. Oh yeah, I haven't heard this in a while since Queendom. Ooh, dancers will be slaying though too. Okay. Slay. Ooh, mom. Ooh, you better put that body roll to that ish. Oh my god, her makeup. I was just staring at her makeup for a second too. Ooh, waka boom boom, waka waka. Ooh. Ooh, I like how she came in like that too. We already know HYOLYN can sing. She can sing, this thing. God, every angle is just slayage for her. Ooh. Sway, you can do it, man. Woo! Okay, camera action. Like, when I do it, mom. Hey man, I haven't body rolled on a reaction in a mad minute, but you know what? For HYOLYN, it do be hit. It do be. Alright, let's go. Ooh. I'm gonna have to ask my girlfriend first, ma'am. Oh, she's good. Woo. Hey. Bruh. Hey. Killed it. And she got choreo in this ish, bro. I remember. Okay, she the total package basically. She said, I'm total package. What you want? I got everything. Where did they film this though too? I mean, it had to be in Korea, right? I mean, oh. How you gonna fall so majestically? Look at them having fun though. Oh yeah, she is within the choreo too. Do it my way. Ooh! And then belts it out. Fire. Classic HYOLYN. I miss this star. That just came to my mind. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This way, gonna do it my way. I felt like I had to participate. Thank you. That was my roommate. She made me French toast and egg, and wow, I don't deserve this. Thank you, Shannon. If you ever see this reaction video, I don't know. I'm gonna take a break and eat this. First of all, slayed. I'm being forever slayed. Oh my god, that smells good. I might have to take a break and eat this. I am actually hungry. I'm gonna go out and you know, join my other roommates. Guys, put in the comments down below what you guys think of HYOLYN and Lee Young-ji's Waka Boom. I mean, if you already seen it on Queendom, then you already know. I mean, if you watched it with me on Twitch when we were watching Queendom together, you already know. You better follow the Twitch, yo. You be missing out. I do play games there too, so it's not just K-pop. So if you're into games, I'll be playing The Quarry actually with actually my roommate Shannon. We are into scary games, and if you're into funny, if you want to laugh and get scared a little bit, then come through. Down below what you guys think of Waka Boom. If you haven't seen it already, if you've seen it already, what do you think of like the original version, exclusive performance video? Bro, I'm like, HYOLYN is it impresses me all the time. I think I've always been a HYOLYN fan since whenever I first discovered her, which was on Sistar. And then her solos too were just hitting. And then Lee Young-ji really impressed me as well. Put a comment down below. I'm actually very curious of what you guys think. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe to repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. I believed in food, and food came to me, so it kind of does work if you put some hard work into it, I guess. Hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, see you guys till next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.